Are you in a Google Meet video call and want to gauge your audience's opinion on something? Take a quick vote? Have an icebreaker at the beginning of your meeting? Use the Google Meet polling feature in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to use the Google Meet polling feature. In a Google Meet call, click on the puzzle piece in the top right corner, or Extras. Then click Polls and start a poll. From there, you can add answer options and then launch the poll. So there you have it. Use Google Meet polls in one easy step. If you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.